रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है हर्षित चोपड़ा। Harshit Chopta is born 17 May 1983, is an Indian actor known for his work in Hindi television. Chopta is a recipient of several accolades, including 6 Indian Television Academy Awards, 3 Indian Telly Awards, and 2 Asian Viewers Television Awards. He is one of the highest paid as well as most awarded actors on Indian television. Born Harshit Chopta, 17 May 1983, Gondia, Maharashtra, India. Education PES, Modern College of Engineering, Pune. Occupation actor. Years active 2006 to present. Known for किस देश में है मेरा दिल, तेरे लिए, बेपनाह, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं 4. Awards: ITA Awards, Gold Awards, Indian Telly Awards, Asian Viewers Television Awards. Chopta made his acting debut in 2006 with Mamta. He later received wider reach for his portrayal of Prem Juneja in Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil and Anurag Ganguly in Tere Liye, along with his roles of Rahvindra Raghvi, Pratap Singh in Dil Se Dil Dua, Subhagyavati Bhavia, and Sahir Azim Chaudhary in Humsafar. He established himself as a successful leading actor by playing Captain Aditya Huda in Bepana and Dr. Abhimanyu Birla in Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata. His performance in both shows earned him 5 Indian Television Academy Awards for Best Actor Popular Drama. Early life: Chopta was born on 17 May 1983 in Gondia, Maharashtra. His Maravari family has roots in the family of Balotra, which is located in the Barmar district of Rajasthan. He finished his school education for Rabindranath Tagore School. Chopta then graduated in computer engineering from PES, Modern College of Engineering, Pune. Career: Debut and breakthrough 2006 to 2017. Chopta started his television career in 2006 with Zee TV Mamta, where he played Karan Srivastav. From 2006 to 2007, he assumed the role of Cadet Ali Beg in Sub TV Left Right Left. This was followed by Sony TV Ambar Dhara, where he portrayed Akshat Mehra opposite Kashmira Irani. From 2008 to 2010, he played Prem Juneja in Star Plus Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil opposite Aditi Gupta. The show was a big success and broke records. From 2010 to 2011, Chopta essayed the role of Anurag Ganguly in Star Plus Tere Liye opposite Anupriya Kapoor. For it, won the Indian Television Award for GR8 Face of the Year and Indian Telly Award for Best Actor in Leading Role Male Popular. From 2011 to 2012, he portrayed Mohan Gala in NDTV Imagine Dharam Patni opposite Asia Kazi. He followed it up in 2012 by playing Raghvindra Pratap Raghav Singh in Life Okay Dil Se Dil Dua Subhagwati Bhava opposite Sritija. From 2014 to 2015, he was seen portraying Sahir Azim Chaudhary in Sony TV Humsafar opposite Shivya Pathania. He assumed the role of a frosty businessman with a past. In 2017, Chopta made his film debut in 2016, The End, where he played Rahul. The movie also co-starred Priya Panirji, Divyendu Sharma, and Kiku Sharda. Bepana and further success 2018 to 2024. In 2018, he portrayed Aditya Huda in Colors TV Bepana opposite Jennifer Winchett. The show made a successful debut, entering the list of top 5 Hindi language shows in its first week. In the Review Times of India said Harshit Chopta is a complete natural and play his part effortlessly. On the other hand, India Today felt Harshit nails his character of Aditya with some black humor and hard-hitting one-liners. For his portrayal, he won the Indian Television Academy Award for Best Actor Popular. In 2020, he starred in Stephen Ben song Juda Kar Diya opposite Irka Fernandez. Chopta was also a part of the musical series Aakhri Mulaqat, which spanned a total of 4 songs opposite Smriti Kalra. From 2021 to 2023, he played Dr. Abhimanyu Birla in Star Plus Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai opposite Pranali Rathod in the popular and long-running family drama. His role was that of a heart surgeon. He was the lead of the third generation and won the Indian Television Academy Award for Best Actor Popular 4 years in a row for it. Balfour and beyond 2025 to present. In 2025, Chopra portrayed Rispa Kapoor, a businessman under an alias, to get revenge for betrayal in Bade Achhe Lagte Hain, for he accepted the role opposite Shivangi Joshi. He called the series of a slow burn, delicate and deeply human, with the concept of two unlikely people, both bruised by life, carrying silent scars, who find themselves entangled in a relationship that neither of them saw coming. He described his character as a mystery waiting to be solved or unsolved. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।